Hello everyone, welcome back to Link to Wealth. I'm Claudia and today we're talking about why Christian women should embrace entrepreneurship in 2025 and beyond. Now before you scroll past thinking entrepreneurship isn't for me, hold up, because by the end of this video you might just change your mind. You just might. So we're in a time where wealth is shifting, and just like people who became wealthy through oil, real estate in the early internet days, we are living in the era of digital wealth. If you don't claim your piece of the pie, someone else will. And you'll be looking like, man, what if? You'll be crying. Sorry, you don't want to cry. So if you want financial freedom, time, flexibility, and a way to impact lives while honoring God, you'll want to watch until the end because we're breaking it all down. So let's get into it. So let's start here because I know some of y'all still believe entrepreneurship is just for the business-minded folks, the super confident, or the people with money. But let's talk about the Proverbs 31 woman. She invested, she made business moves, she saw opportunities and took them, and most importantly, she honored God while doing it. So this idea that business isn't for me, who told you that? Because it wasn't God. So if you've been feeling stuck financially, or if you've wondered how to create a life of freedom, flexibility, and purpose, business might be the answer. And in 2025, it's easier than ever to start. So let me put this in perspective for you. Wealth has never been about luck. It's always about timing. Like the oil industry created billionaires, the real estate boom made millionaires, the dot-com era, it built entire empires. And today, social media, digital products, and online business are the new frontier. You might not own Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, but guess what? You don't need to. What you need to do is position yourself to profit from these platforms. Just like the people who made money from oil without owning the oil companies, without owning the companies, they become millionaires. This is why you see people making money online every day. They are not just lucky, they just understand how wealth moves. And the crazy part, most of them aren't even better than you. They just started. They just got started just like that. One thing about entrepreneurship, it gives you options. Want to leave a job that drains you? A business can help. Want to spend more time with family? A business gives flexibility. Want to fund ministries, charities, or your own community? A business generates resources. We are called to be good stewards, and let's be real. You can't help others if you're struggling yourself. Come on, we all know that. So if you're waiting for a sign, here it is. God may be calling you to something bigger than just working to survive. He really is. So a business isn't just about money. It's about options, freedom, and leaving a legacy. Sorry guys, I'm fixing my hair. So let's kill another myth real quick. You don't need thousands of followers or thousands of dollars to start making money, right? Right now, people are making money with digital products, selling simple guides, templates, and ebooks, selling services, coaching, consulting, virtual assistants, and using social media to build an income without needing to be an influencer. The key, start with what you have. Don't let perfectionism keep you stuck. The people who win are the ones who take action. So let's wrap this up with a final reminder. Business and faith are not separate. Like I always say, in Deuteronomy 8:18, it says, remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth. This verse has just stuck with me for the past 2 years. So this isn't about chasing money. It's about using wisdom and faith to build something meaningful. God is calling many of us to step out. Like me, I think He's calling me to step out, and that's what I'm doing. Start that business and create opportunities, not just for ourselves, but for the people connected to us. So start that business, start YouTube, The question is, are you going to step up, or are you going to let fear keep you on the sidelines? Because as you can see, I'm willing to step up. Put my introvert aside. If you made it this far, I'm glad you stayed until the end, because this is a message someone needed to hear today. So tell me, what's holding you back from starting your business? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if this spoke to you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with another Christian woman who would need this encouragement. So the time is now. Wealth is shifting. Make sure you're a part of it. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.